How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to login problem. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, go to the any web browser on your mobile device. Here I'm going to the Google, and once you're inside your web browser, simply type down the WhatsApp support chat in the search address bar and search for it. Now simply tap on the first option, contact WhatsApp option available there. After that, you can see WhatsApp Messenger support. Simply tap on the blue highlights of contact us from there. Now all you have to do is provide the required information in the contact form. Your phone number including the country code, a brief description of the issue, mention that you are encountering the you need the official WhatsApp to login problem. Then attach any relevant screenshots if possible. Then once you have filled out the form, simply click on the submit button available there. Once you submit it, wait for a response from WhatsApp support. They may contact you via the email address associated with your account. If WhatsApp support responds with instructions, make sure to follow them carefully to resolve this issue. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.